Lily Stolzberg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with my good friend Giovanni. And we are going to go classic today, aren't we?
That's right.
What are we doing?
We're doing meatloaf, Lil.
Yeah!
Right?
Bring it
Who doesn't
on.
like meatloaf?
Meatloaf, it's great.
First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our meat. I'm going to give it a little mix just to mix it all together. You mind pouring all those ingredients in?
Sure.
Start with the eggs. Okay, give me the cheese.
Cheese, yes.
All right, dump it all in there.
Love that.
Now give me the garlic.
Sure.
Put the breadcrumbs and then put the parsley right in after. All right. So when you make meatloaf, you put it in the loaf pan.
Yeah.
Right? And then when you take it out, sometimes it sticks, sometimes it cracks,
yes.
right? I have a trick to make it not crack.
Really?
Yeah. And it's this little piece of parchment paper here. We're gonna put it all over here, just like that. And then I'm gonna roll it in this way. Push it down, tuck it in, roll it again. And then like, what do you call it? Tootsie roll.
Yeah.
Just like that, underneath, and that's how we're gonna cook it, Lo.
You're gonna cook it just like that?
Just like that.
This is mind-blowing.
Right? That's the meatloaf, right?
Giovanni. I didn't even know this was like possible. The big reveal.
Look at that.
Wow.
Perfect color. You come to my house, that's the meatloaf you're eating.
You know what? And I'd eat it, and I love it. And you're probably gonna love it too, so head to our website, news12.com. Try making it. Thanks, Giovanni.
Thank you, Lo.